This is the weekly weather briefing presented by the National Weather Service in Spokane for Tuesday, January 20th. Going right into the overview, for Tuesday night through Thursday morning, we're looking at mainly clouds and fog and dry conditions. For Thursday through Saturday, we're looking at 2 weak disturbances followed by a stronger and wetter storm system on or about Friday night and Saturday. This promises to bring some mountain snow. And in the valleys, we're looking at rain or possibility of freezing rain or even some snow, but nothing major. And in the basin, we're looking at mainly rain. And then Sunday through Tuesday, we're looking at dry conditions and low clouds and occasional fog. Here's the overview of the Pacific satellite. You see a stationary low-pressure system up near the Aleutian Islands. We call this the mother low. It's not going anywhere, but it does direct the other storm systems around the base of it and off to the east. And if you look over the northwestern United States, you'll see there's a high pressure entrenched there, for now at least. This high pressure will be weakened as the low pressure sends a series of weak storm systems into the region. And then if you look out off to in the western Pacific, you'll see the genesis of a strong and deep subtropical moisture plume coming up, and that's going to impact our weather on or about Friday night and Saturday. Now for tonight and through Thursday morning, we're looking at mainly clouds and low clouds and fog in the basin. Best bet for any sun will be in the Palouse or the Lewiston-Clarkston Valley. In the mountains, we're looking at mainly dry conditions with variable high clouds. Many of those mountains will be poking up above the low clouds and stratus through the next day or two. Then on Thursday, we have a weak storm system moving in. This will be the first storm system to encounter the high pressure. It will be weakening as it comes through. The main issue we're looking at with this is some light snow, possibly up to 1 inch in the valleys and in the northern basin, and perhaps 1 to 3 inches of snow in the mountains. The main threat with this will be a chance of freezing rain or sleet in the valleys of the western basin and the northern Cascades. This will be from Wenatchee on up through Omak, as well as the Methow Valley and some of the Wenatchee River Valley as well. Our confidence is moderate that this storm will happen. Our confidence is actually fairly low for any significant snow or rain or even freezing rain amounts. However, there is possibility that there will be at least some spotty freezing rain. Then on Friday, we have another weak storm system coming through. This one looks even weaker than Thursday's storm system. However, if it does hold together, there is a chance for some more light mountain snow and some valley rain or snow in the northeast, as well as a broadening out chance of freezing rain, again in the Wenatchee to Omak corridor, the valleys of the North Cascades, and maybe even sliding eastward towards the Colville area and the Lake Roosevelt Valley up near the Canadian border. Confidence is actually fairly low for anything anywhere happening with this storm. It is exceedingly weak, and it's going to be shearing out and weakening even further as it moves in. So it may not materialize at all. So at this point, we don't think that this storm is anything to really be concerned about, but just be aware that the potential does exist. Then on Friday night and Saturday, this is the one we're keeping an eye on. By that time, we'll have a strong and deep feed of Pacific moisture starting to impact in the area. This moisture will be enhancing over a warm front, and that will result in probably widespread precipitation across the region, at least in eastern Washington and North Idaho, western Washington as well. And this does look like this tropical moisture is going to be bringing the remnants of a bit of warmer tropical air with it, so we're expecting snow levels to rise significantly as this storm evolves. So we're looking for 2 to 4 inches of snow in the mountains, with snow levels rising above 6,000 feet, especially during the day Saturday. As far as mixed precipitation or freezing rain is concerned, there still is a threat of pockets of freezing rain in the valleys near the Canadian border Friday night and Saturday morning. However, the snow levels will be rising, temperatures will be rising, and any freezing rain that falls during the morning will just turn into simple rain, and any ice accumulation will melt off by afternoon. Everywhere else in the basin, we're looking at mainly rain, and our confidence is high that this storm system will occur. Our confidence is high for valley rain and high mountain snow. The confidence is still pretty low for the freezing rain potential. And the best chance of that would be in the valleys up near the Canadian border. Here are the temperatures expected for this week. As expected with the arrival of that tropical moisture plume, we are going to see a rising trend in our temperatures to well above normal by Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday. In the Wenatchee area, as the fog moves in tonight, our temperatures might actually drop below average for tomorrow, but then they will start a steady rise to well above average as the storm systems weaken any inversions and allow some mixing to occur. And just for reference, this is a schematic of our current snowpack situation here over the Northwest. And in general, it looks like we are running fairly well below average. There are a few bright spots, such as the Blues and the Central Idaho Panhandle, and some of the North Cascades are approaching 90% of average. However, everybody else is looking fairly on the anemic side, especially in the Cascades. Now, the takeaway from this is during the next week at least, we're not expecting a whole lot of improvement with this. Any snow that we get is going to be confined to the highest peaks, especially with that last storm system on Friday night and Saturday. So here is the 8 to 14 day outlook for temperature on the left-hand side. Basically, computer models don't get much more certain than this. The odds strongly favor above normal temperatures for the period January 28th to February 3rd, and the odds at least moderately favor above normal precipitation for that same period, which would suggest mainly mountain snow and valley rain from any storms that come in during this period. So the summary of impacts of the upcoming week, tonight through Thursday morning, we're looking at basically nuisance fog and low clouds. There might be some slick roads from freezing fog and pockets of drizzle in the mornings. Then Thursday and Friday, a pair of weak disturbances, possibly bringing some light freezing rain to the Cascade Valleys, the Okanagan and Wenatchee area. Confidence of this is pretty low at this time. And then Friday night through Saturday, we have a stronger, wetter, and warm storm system with mainly high mountain snow and valley and basin rain. Confidence is indeed high that this storm system will arrive. However, confidence is fairly low at the possibility of any residual freezing rain threat with this. And then beyond Saturday, we're looking at no significant weather except for more valley and basin fog and low clouds. And there might be some slick roads here and there from freezing fog and again, pockets of drizzle in the morning. So that concludes this weather briefing for this week. We encourage you to stay informed by using any of the number of social media resources that we have here at the National Weather Service. Thank you for your time.